Right then, don't like my rim, it's rusty. Brand new OEM rim in there. Still waiting for the spokes. I'm going to take it all off now. Anyway, have a look and see what's inside. Well, tyres off, wheels out. I've loosened up all the spokes. And now I thought, you know what, I'll get in there and give that a good clean, because, you know, really should keep that clean as best as can. That's how you get rusty wheel arches, leaving the mud in there. So I'll give that a good old clean out, and then I'll see how the paintwork is. Remember, I hammerized this about 3 years ago, so I'll see how it looks now after 3 years of abuse.
Why? They call it threaded bar at tool station.
What? Not studding?
Yeah, I've always known it as studding.
Well, we can't even put it on the wheel balancer because your shaft's too thick and it don't fit. Only just. It's really annoying. Oh well. Go down to the tool station and get some studding.
Or threaded bar.
Or threaded bar. Okay, we went to the shops, we bought a bit of rebar. Oh! I stuck the ceiling. Oh, just. There we are, perfect fit. Here we go. Job's a good one. So we can get this on here.
I'm just smashing the place up.
Right, let's take some pictures. Well, I've got the diagram here as well. So.
Yeah, the diagram don't tell you much.
Oh, does it not?
It don't tell you the rule of 4.
Well, I mean.
So what you want to look at is, so if you look at, this is sprocket side, outer, low, bump at the bottom.
Yeah. So
so you don't put that one in that one, basically.
Got it.
And then inner, so where's the other inner one there? Low bump on that side. So inner spoke, low bump. So basically, whichever direction the spoke goes in, it always goes into low bump.
Yeah.
Let's see if that's true on the other side. So it's travelling that direction, low bump.
Yeah.
Travelling that direction, low
the
bump.
bump's that way.
And it's a rule of 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we'll try to remember that. I've forgotten everything already.
Me too. So yeah, you start undoing the nips.
I'll twist all these nipples.
Yep.
The nipples are off. I've got to move the rim out now, and what do we do?
Just give that a little twist.
So, what, this?
Yeah. And it should just lift off. There you go.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, you left the nipple.
Oh, I left the nipple. I thought we were done. Now all the nipples are done and taken
Yeah.
off. Now we can take it out and swap over the rim.
I reckon you've got enough room.
Whee! Right. I'm holding it. The valve core's that way.
Yep.
So, a valve's there. Do you want to put it on top with the valve that way?
Yeah. I don't think it matters much, but there we go.
Well, that means that we're roughly where we need to be in it.
Yep.
So, that's one rusty rim out the way.
So you can tell the direction where the spokes are supposed to be, because you can see with the dirt
yeah,
lines.
we just need to lift this up just a touch, don't we now?
Yeah, so what you want to do is you want to start with 1. So what we know is the direction of travel is the bump. So
Yeah.
where's the hole? Let's start there. Let's go round 1.
Screwdriver, can't we?
Yeah. But I mean, you could probably do it by hand because they're brand new, but look at one of them and then decide, I would say about that much out of each one all the way round. Roughly, just roughly. And then once you've done that, you know, because some of them look really loose, some of them are really tight.
Yeah.
And that'll give a little bit of tension, but you've got a lot of adjustment.
You got another screwdriver? You can do the other side.
Well, I'll do it by hand.
I think, let's see how true it is then. No. Hooray. Why would the socket carry make a difference?
Well, it's just extra weight on there.
Oh, I suppose so.
You do that side, I'll do this side. Don't check and push it on my side. Have some back.
The worst racing ever. But
I think this nut is a lot easier.
a bigger nut would be better actually. I need some WD-40 on this side, just some oil or something to. Can't we just like put a power drill on this and then just screw it in like that?
No, because you didn't run doing my side.
Doesn't sound like, that sounds like a you problem. Oh, there we go. Now it's moving a bit.
Yeah, I'm already in, mate. Make sure it's level. If you can't do nothing unless it's level, bang on.
Yeah.
Now just check the other way. Bang on.
Okay.
Right.
So what do you do? Just spin it?
Well, that's how you balance. But what we're going to do is we're going to look for the high and lows.
Oh, okay.
So we need to make something. So if you hold that like that. Right, so that's your left and right. So you can see it's not too far out.
No, not too far out.
But now we need to do your up and down.
Oh.
It needs something a little bit longer.
This is where it's a bit tricky, isn't it?
See how bad it is, if it's bad at all. Yeah, look, up, down, up.
Yeah, it's going
down,
up and down, yeah.
up, down.
So yeah, it's just... Are you saying that we didn't get it right first try?
No, you won.
No.
So what we need to do is move it away from that brush for a minute. Let's do the up and down first.
Okay. Oh geez, yeah, that's a bit terrifying
What's
actually
making
now.
that noise? Is that just because it... Oh, it's that, yeah.
It's that, don't worry about it. Yeah, it's going out quite a bit, isn't it?
Right, leave it spinning. So look, you got there's your up and down.
Yeah, that's quite a lot, isn't it? That's quite a lot.
Definitely.
So where's it coming in again?
Well, we go way out there.
Yeah, we go way out, don't we?
But
So-
that's before we go in.
Yeah.
So
These things are crap. These are Chinese ones. We're putting back the old rusty Honda ones. They seem to be much better. Because we can actually tighten them up on these ones much better. Oh man, how muddled you... Dreadful, that completely rounded off. That was absolutely horrific, that was. Last one. We almost switched them all back to the Japanese ones, but the last Chinesian one doesn't want to come out.
you called that perfectly.
It doesn't want to come out.
Absolutely.
It's the last one, it's always the chance.
Absolutely perfect that was. They ain't gonna come out. Yeah, well, that one. We had two choices.
Yes or no?
Oh, that's really annoying because I had that turning with the screwdriver.
And now it's not.
There we go. We got it. Last one. Feels like we've done a marathon.
Oh no! I think a marathon was actually quicker at this point. We started this at what, 10? Oh jeez, it's now come up to 1:30.
Is my clock right up there? I never know.
Yeah. Yeah, 1:20, yeah.
Oh, this one's still being a bastard. There we go.
Yeah, a bit of a jump, but we're getting there.
Slow it down. It's not as bad as it was, nowhere near. Still around this blue area.
Yeah.
Right.
Trying to do this now for a long time, couple of hours at least, just on this bit alone. And we're just slightly, ever so slightly out. There's a little kick on it still. There. It's there, every time. So yeah. That's as straight as we can get enough. I mean, it's going to have to go to a professional maybe. Probably. That was worth a try. I might just stick it all... I might give it a quick shot though. Put the it won't take long to put it all back on. Right. Run it up the road and down. And if I've got a handlebar wobble, then I know it's going to have to go to a proper shop. Professional's going to have to deal with that. Alright then. Okay, put the wheel back on. I've taken it for a quick spin. It is visibly buckled a little bit, ever so slightly. However, I don't feel it as I ride along the road. No handlebar wobble, nothing like that. But I will take it for a longer test ride tomorrow. But it feels pretty good. I took it up to about 30 miles an hour and was absolutely fine. So usually it's a lower speed wobble. So I'm gonna take it out for a longer ride and see what happens. It's nice to have a nice shiny rim. Hopefully I don't get any punches with it. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Anyway, this one says made in Indonesia. Anyway, right. Yeah. Right, anyway, back home now. after a good test ride on the Honda CT. Don't feel any wheel wobble at all, so that's really good. No wheel wobble. So I think it's fine-ish for now. Yeah, it'll be fine. Just in time for one last trip this year on the Cubs.